Striking 3-bedroom, 2-bath pool home centrally located with no HOA. This beautifully maintained and updated home offers 1,495 square feet of comfortable living space with an open floor plan, split bedrooms, and best of all is move-in ready. All major concerns have been updated, including new flooring and a remodeled kitchen, quartz countertops, and all new LG appliances in 2022. Bathrooms were remodeled in 2018 and 2019. The roof was replaced in 2021 and new windows were installed in 2020. Air conditioner was done in 2020 and a new water heater in 2022. Outside, the exterior was repainted within 5 years, a brand new driveway installed done in 2021, a new garage door added in 2020 and a new garage door opener in 2024. The home also boasts a screen-in pool with a newer pool pump and a large lanai area great for entertaining and relaxing. If that's not enough, the home is beautifully